Round number 3. I decided to start this round without reading the chart, but I also want to let you know that this chart was a little bit changed in exactly that round. So the variant I took differs. I make the raising loop here, and into each of 3 double crochet from the previous round I'm gonna do again 2 pieces of double crochet. I'm folding again, and I'm doing the first double crochet into the first and the second double crochet into the first double crochet from the previous round. Then I go to the middle, and into the middle double crochet I make 2 pieces of double crochet, 1 and 2. Into the next one, into the third, I also do 2 pieces of double crochet, 1 and 2. Why I changed the scheme is because I messed up a lot with this design, and the best version for me was to make a popcorn stitch here, which looks really cool, and I think the author has probably made something similar, but I just decided to skip a couple of stitches to make it more popping up. So what I'm gonna do here is just a popcorn. That means I go to the first double crochet I created here from the 6 ones and just make a slip stitch. This element is called popcorn or a puff stitch. Then I make 3 loops, 1, 2, 3, and in between, if you remember, there was 1 loop, 1 single crochet and 1 loop. Now I want to do in the first arch from 1 loop unfinished double crochet like that, and into the second arch I do 1 more unfinished double crochet. This element is called cluster. It has 1 top for 2 similar elements. Then again I want to make 3 loops, 1, 2, 3, and I want to repeat the same pattern we started with. So into each of them I'm going to make, into each double crochet from the previous round I make 2 pieces of double crochet, and then I make a puff stitch or a popcorn, if you can say. Help yourself to move around the doily and stretch. First into the same one, second into the middle, first and into the middle, second, first into the last one, into the third, and second into the third. And now I make a slip stitch from the top of the first one to the top of the last one. 3 loops, 1, 2, 3, and again I want to repeat this cluster element. 1 unfinished double crochet and the second unfinished double crochet. So I'm gonna show you closer where exactly they are so you could see. 3 loops, and again let's make again together into the first one 2 pieces of double crochet, 1 and 2, into the second, into the middle one, also 2 pieces, 1 and 2, and into the third one also 2 pieces, 1 and 2. popcorn, slip stitch, 3 loops, 1, 2, 3, and let's make together the final, not the final, but one more cluster. One unfinished, second unfinished, one top, this way. I really love the way it looks like. It's very, very 3D. In the end, let's meet and I will show you. So I made 3 loops and one more cluster is finished. Let's make it together. One unfinished double crochet and the second unfinished double crochet, one top, and I'm gonna make the middle tighter. 3 loops here, 1, 2, 3, and I have to find the top version of the slip stitch and make the slip stitch into the slip stitch this way. And again I'm gonna make the middle tighter. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I really love the 3D and the texture.